The dog and the bone. A dog found a bone. He picked it up and carried it in his mouth and began to walk home. On the way, he had to cross a narrow stream across which was a narrow plank. When he reached the middle of the plank, he saw another dog in the water. It too was carrying a bone in its mouth. Why not frighten the dog and take away his bone too? Thought the dog greedily. He opened his mouth to bark bow bow. His bone fell into the water. The foolish dog had seen his own reflection. Moral: greediness is foolishness.